everyone, this is Christina within the garden, and I have some time today to put together our birdie beds. I purchased these on Epic Gardening's website. I have 4 beds, 2 taller and 2 shorter. The taller ones you can make into square rectangles. The shorter one I believe is just round. So I'm gonna haul these out here and pull them out of the box and show you how easy it is to put these together today. So I'm gonna go get them and I'll get started, and we will recap at the end where you can see what the final product looks like. Now keep in mind there are, I believe, 8 shapes per container that the metal can sort into. So if you prefer a short and stocky bed where it is more like a square, you can do that. If you prefer a longer bed like a rectangle, you could do that. So it is versatile and it will not rust, rot, or basically deteriorate. Wooden beds do have that, and we have some wooden beds up there that are aging. And so I wanted to try a metal bed to see how it went. So I'm gonna go grab those. Okay, my overall impression after the first bed is put together is that it's super easy and super straightforward. I need to put in 1 bolt left, but I wanted to show you what it looks like so far. This is the round lower bed, by the way. So, as you can see, it fits together all the way around. You're going to want to clip when they give you more than you need, which is perfect, so you'll clip that. And then you want to tighten the bolts after you've gotten all of them together. I did a little bit tighten along the way, and this is how you put in, we'll do this one together, how you put in your last bolt. You can hand tighten these, and then you can use the tool they give you. So this is the little tool. And do you see how these are all sticking out? Ideally, once you've gotten this tightened, you'll have a little bit of that screw bolt hanging out. Overall, this is super easy to put together. I didn't find any sharp edges by any means like it warns you on the paper. Everything's covered in this film so that you can avoid any scratches, and it doesn't matter if you overlap one side and underlap the other, meaning see how this one I started with the left panel on the front, and then I had planned to go this direction and have that same pattern happen. However, this side right here came with a couple scratches, so I thought I'd just cover it up. So I think it looks fine. And I got cream colored and like a slate gray. So since this takes a lot of time, I will fast forward you through the other installs. That's the next bed. But overall, it's an easy build and doesn't take a lot of time.